Welcome to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and in today's video I'm going to be making some homemade applesauce, and I'm going to bring you along with me. Another one step at a time to try and get things on my pantry shelf. These are store-bought apples. We didn't have a chance to go and get apples at an orchard or anything, and I chose Gala apples because quite frankly they were the cheapest right now. And store-bought apples, I always soak them in vinegar water for about 12 minutes, give them a good scrubbing, and then I can proceed to go on. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. Okay, so I've had the apples on the stovetop. I've got it on low. We're just going to cook them down a little bit till it all softens up, and then using this tool, and I will get all the goodness out of it, and then the skins and that will, whatever is left, is going to get thrown away. Okay, so I've got it into this container, and I'm going to can it tomorrow. I'm going to let it cool off before I put it in the refrigerator, and then I don't have time today to can it, but I'm going to can it tomorrow. And this is going to be a water bath canning. So it's the next day. I'm going to sterilize my jars, and I'm heating up the applesauce. Okay, and I've got my workstation all set up for myself. I've got the vinegar for the rims. Not sure about the acidity for the applesauce, so I'm going to put a half a teaspoon of bottled lemon juice in. Got my lids ready. I'm going to get the hot water into them. And in the book, the USDA Home Canning Guide, it says to process the pints, because I'm going to do pints, for 15 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. And I forgot to mention, and for the headspace, for either quarts or pints, it's going to be a 1/2 inch headspace. And so on this little tool, it's going to be right there, that little mark right there.
Our hearts beat to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it is just puts a hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Okay, I've got them all into the water bath canner. I got 5 pints, and if you can see, I put extra jars in there so that they don't bounce around like a bouncy house. So those are going to get processed for 15 minutes once it comes to a rapid boil. Rapid boil it is. Start the timer. Okay, so I got 5 pints of applesauce out of all those apples that I had done, which isn't bad. We don't eat a lot of applesauce here, so this is perfect. And in the wintertime, if we want more applesauce and we're out of the homemade, we'll just buy some. But that is it. I'm gonna cover them with a Tylenol and they're gonna get tucked away until tomorrow, and then I'm gonna wash them up, label them, and put them away. All right, I've got them covered up, ready to sit for the whole day and all night, and then I'll wash them up tomorrow, like I said. And I'm gonna get this all cleaned up. We gotta wait for this to cool down. I still have jars in there that helped, and it really does help so they're not bouncing all over the place because you're at such a rapid boil. So I'll get those cleaned up once that cools down some. And I've got, you know, I got to clean up some stuff. So I've done some, a little bit of canning here and there, and I've just left my stuff out. Well, the only other thing that I really want to can before the holidays is I want to try making that strawberry jalapeno jelly / jam. I'm not quite sure how it's going to be. I have to read the recipe again. But if I don't get that made, I'm okay with it. But I just wanted to have some for Christmas. I thought it would be a nice thing to have during the holidays. All right, I'm going to end this video. If you want to see more videos on canning, you can check my playlist out. I have quite a bit of canning in there, and it gives way more detail in some of them than what you had seen here. And yeah, I'm going to wrap this up. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.